the girl is from space, she's like an alien. I think she just comes down here like, once in a while to come and check on us, she gives us a present and then she flies away again. My name is Harry and I welcome you to my reaction channel. If it's your first time here today, welcome on board. I hope you have a fantastic time with us. Today, I am almost embarrassed, to react, to this next act. Her name is Adele. I like Adele very much, but for some weird reasons, right? I just never have listened to a whole album of hers before. I know very few of her songs, and every time I hear her songs, I love them. But I just don't know enough of her songs. One of those strange things. I don't know how that happened, but I intend to put an end to that. But all that's going to change, guys, because I am going to descend on Adele like a vulture descends on a carcass. So I'm going to start today with a song called Set Fire to the Rain. And this is a live version from the Royal Albert Hall in London, England. So let's go get Adele, Set Fire to the Rain.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
Wow. I say to myself, Harry, how have you managed to stay away so long from this girl? Fantastic. Her performance, listen to that voice, man. It's just like
Your
just set fire to my soul, man. That girl is like, she's an old soul in a young woman's body. Because, her voice, right, it's somebody so young has no right to sound like that, you know. So much soul and so much emotion, you know, and so much storytelling in her voice. You know, she reminds me of all those old, you know, all those old storyteller vocalists, you know, of the past, you know, back in the 50s and the 60s, you know. The biggest compliment that I can give this girl is that she will fit right at home in that period, in that era as well. And that's saying something, you know. And the fantastic thing about this girl, you know, Adele, is in 40 years' time, she will still be having this effect, you know, on the generation coming. You know, how many artists can you say that about? You know, I know it sounds like a cliche, but she definitely set fire to the rain with her voice, you know, on this song, you know. She just blew it wide open, Adele. Fantastic, you know. Like I said to you guys, I'm embarrassed that that I haven't listened to more of her stuff, you know. But that is all gonna change now. Definitely. I hope you enjoyed this. In fact, that's an understatement. I defy anybody not to enjoy that performance. You know, it was just the girl is from space. You know, she's like an alien. I think she just comes down here like, you know, once in a while to come and check on us. You know, she gives us a present and then she flies away again. You know, yeah. So, like I said to you, I intend to change this narrative. There's going to be more and more and more and more Adele reactions from me. This is my very first one. I apologize for that. And I want to thank those who discovered my channel for the first time today. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope to see you again. Till then, I say stay cool, stay safe, and I shall see you at the next stop.